last few minutes, and what did you think became your advantage in the end game?
Advantage is just willing to battle. We were just trying to grind it out. Nung natirahan kami ng apat yatang 4-point shots yan. A team of weaker stuff wouldn't hold it up. So it's a testament to the character of the guys. You're able to come back out of that. Also, Magnolia really surprised us because they tried to play the kind of game that they was playing. They were able to keep up with us. But I guess we made some big plays, the 3-point shot by Kaylan, then some missed shots, or we forced some stops, crucial stops. We were able to prevent them from executing. Actually, medyo na-stuck yata sila sa 102 for a while. So that was the stretch where we played really good defense. For a while, we couldn't solve the side ball screen between Paul, Baroka, and their bigs. Nahirapan kami ng coverage namin. Pero yun nga, after a while, we found the solution to it. Also, Aaron just did a yeoman's job in the middle. 2020 na naman yata siya. So we feel that he's really the anchor that we can rely on game after game. So yun, palagay ko, our character is being tested, and at least for now, we passed the test.
Coach, you mentioned Magnolia